Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to cook some chicken foot soup, but this is not the original way of cooking chicken foot soup in Jamaica. So I'm using chicken foot or chicken feet, what we call it chicken foot in Jamaica, and the nails already removed and everything, it is clean up, and then I use a knife and cut it right here, as you can see. And then I wash it with vinegar, yeah, and then I drain it. And I am also using just the back part of the chicken. This is not chicken back, this is the back part of the chicken, the carcass. So I'm using it as well. I cut it up and I remove the skin. And yeah, so I'm gonna season it. Like I said, this is not the original way of cooking chicken foot soup in Jamaica. So I'm gonna add some salt, just a small amount of salt, black pepper, just a small amount. All purpose. And chicken seasoning. And I am going to give it a good rub. So I'm just going to set this aside and prepare the vegetables, that is. Hope you can see what's going on here. In this container I have 2 Irish potatoes, 2 carrots, and around 1/4 pound of pumpkin. So I peel and cut everything into chunks, and I'm gonna add it to the pot now. So in here I have 4 cups of water, and this is the amount of water that I will use to make the soup. I will not add any more water to the pot. So I am gonna add everything into the pot, the chicken feet and the carcass of the chicken back, and not the chicken back, carcass of the chicken and everything. So what I'm gonna do now is to cover the pot, and I'm gonna let the chicken feet and the vegetable and everything cook. The only thing that is missing from the pot is cocoa. Cocoa is very good to put in soup because it gives the soup body, but I do not have any cocoa, and so I said, why not make the soup without the cocoa? Although I love cocoa in my soup, but that's how it goes. So now I'm gonna add the yam, and this is Negra yam. This is not soup yam. Yellow yam is the soup yam in Jamaica, but I do not have any yellow yam at the moment, so I am using Negra yam. 3 slices, wash, peel. scallion, thyme, and hot pepper. And I rather to use the green hot pepper because the green peppers are less spicy and full of flavors. Now I'm gonna add the noodles, and I'm using two different brands noodles. Very optional, but this is how I like it. So what I'm gonna do now is to press it because I do not like the noodles. I just want the flavors on it. Just gonna cover the pot and let the soup simmer.